chop a life. This world and I want chance, I got it burning. No award for suffer, a job for a guy. Chop a life, go really go jana. Chop a life, oh, chop a life. This world and I want chance, I got it burning.
Hi guys, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be teaching you how to cut this trending sleeve that's been trending for the past, let me say, 1 year now. So I have a client who requested for that sleeve, and I have to use the opportunity to teach you guys how to cut and sew the sleeve. Okay, just keep watching. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. So let's start. So I started off by marking. As usual, we're going to mark our starting point, and from our starting point, this is the center of the sleeve. I'm going to use this place as the center of the sleeve. Then from here, I'm going to come down by 5 inches. From here, 5 inches. Then I will divide my armhole circumference divide by 2. So I have 10 plus 1 inch seam allowance, and I have 11. So from here I will connect to this place just this way. This is just cutting out the basic sleeve, and from there I'm going to measure the full length of my sleeve. So we're going to be making use of 10 inches as the full length of the sleeve. That is 10 inches. It's a short sleeve. So the sleeve, what do we call it, the sleeve curve is 10 inches. The sleeve curve is 10 inches. That is your round arm, 10 inches. So I'm going to divide 10 by 2, making it 5. Then I'll add extra 1 inch for seam allowance, making it 6. So I'll connect it this way. So we are done with our sleeve. So I'm going to be cutting out the sleeve now. So I'll be cutting out 2 of these. So we need to figure out the center of this sleeve. First off, I am going to open this one. As you can see, this is the center. So this is the center of this sleeve. So I'm going to, from the center, I'm going to go in by 3.5 inch. If you like, you can go in by 4 inches. So I went in by 3.5 inch because I want it to go in deeper. And I'll come up here by 3 inches. I'll come up here by 3 inches. If you like, you can come up by 2.5, 2 inches, 1.5, depending on how close you want it to be. Then I'm going to connect from here to this place now. You see? And we're going to cut out. So we have cut it out. So we're going to do the same thing we did here. We're going to repeat it here. Bring out the center, go in by 3.5, come up by 3, from here connect, to here, then you cut out. So we have the center notch and the center notch. So here I'm going to cut out another piece of this and another piece of this. So let's go. So while cutting another piece of this and another piece of this, I'm going to be turning it down this way and this one this way. Okay, so let's bring the material. So I'm going to turn this over this way, and I'm going to turn this over this way. The notch here. Okay, make sure the notch is visible. Okay, give it a notch here and give it a notch here. So I am going to turn this one over and make sure that the notches are aligned together. So you see, make sure that these notches are aligned together. You see, so I'm going to cut a lining on this and on this. So let me mark it down. 1 1 2 2. So I'm going to create the lining with this, and after creating the lining with this, I will stitch it up and I will add the bias on it. I have gone ahead to gum stir it. I added a gum stir on it, and here also I added a gum stir here, and on this one and on this one. So next thing I'm going to do is to attach the lining, and I will sew all the way through like this, and I will do the same thing here and here. I will do the same thing here. I'm not going to turn over the lining because I will be adding a bias on it. After attaching the lining to the main bodies, I'm going to use this bias. I'm going to use it to cover up this place. It's going to be like this all the way through the round sleeve, from here to here, and from here through to here. So let's go. And after I'm done with that, I am going to show you guys.
Chopper life, oh, chopper life. This world and I want chance, I got it burning. No award for suffer, a jaffo for a guy. Chopper life, go nearly go jana. Chopper life, oh, chopper life. This world and I want chance, I got it burning. No award for suffer, a jaffo for a guy. Chopper life, go nearly go jana. Chopper life, oh, chopper life. This world and I want chance, I got it burning. No award for suffer, a jaffo for a guy. Chopper life, go nearly go jana. Chopper life, oh, chopper life. This world and I want chance, I got it burning.
So guys, I am done attaching. So I'm done attaching everything together, and this is what it looks like. So next thing I'm going to do right now is to join them together this way. So I'm going to join this and this. Make sure that this line is attached to this place and this line attached to this end, like this. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. So make sure this end is attached to this notch, and here to this notch as well, and I'm going to pin it up. And I will join here, from here to here. I will join, and I will do the same on the other, for the other side. So guys, I am done attaching it. As you can see, I've joined this and this together, and this and this. And on the main material, this is the main dress. On the main bodice, I'm going to join the two shoulders together, then we attach the sleeve, and you're going to see how the sleeve looks like on the main bodice. Okay,
Chop a life, oh, chop a life. This world and I want chance, I got it, but no award for suffer, a job for a guy. Chop a life, go nearly go jana. Chop a life, oh, chop a life. This world and I want chance, I got it, but no award for suffer, a job for a guy. Chop a life, go nearly go jana. Chop a life, oh, chop a life. This world and I want chance, I got it, but no award for suffer, a job for a guy.